Good morning. Welcome to our 13th week of computer applications. The theme of this week, we obviously have a short week. It's Thanksgiving. We are only in school Monday and Tuesday. With that being said, if you're incredibly behind in this class, I would encourage you, and in any of your classes, I would encourage you to go ahead and take those extra days to complete and turn in makeup assignments, especially if you find yourself bored and with nothing to do. So, in other words, don't be behind in a class, which I would say would be below a C, and spend too much time like chilling when you could easily submit assignments and still have a break and have time for your families. I only have 2 days worth of stuff or assignments for you for this week. I know it may look like more, but you'll find that most of these things go really very quickly. The whole theme of this week is going to be talking about jobs. And so as you go through, you are going to go and sort of pace it out as I have it. First, you'll have your jobs PowerPoint, which there should be a separate video that you'll watch for that. Then you'll fill out your job application that will be included in the video. And then finally, you have your cover letter template, which I'm going to talk about now. When you go into your cover letter template, it's going to take you to this website. And really, this is just an opportunity for you to see what it's like for you to fill out your own cover letter. The thing is, you do have to create an account for this website. And when you go in to start, as you scroll down and choose customize this, as you go in to start this out, you'll find that it's going to ask you to sign in with your email or create an account with your email and password. So just use your student email, the S number at student.knoxschools.org, and then go in and use whatever password you want. You're only going to use this website once. It just helps you to create and see what resume cover letters look like. So then it's going to walk you through this wizard. Do you have a specific job in mind? Not yet. And then continue. How many years of experience do you have? 1, and then continue. And then job title, let's just put waitress or waiter. It doesn't matter. Something that you could maybe do now. Do you have a gap in your work history? No, most of you guys have not yet worked. And then what are your top 3 strengths? Are you good at maybe customer service? Are you a leader? Maybe you're good at communication. Pick whatever 3 strengths match you and then continue. Obviously, you're just working through this wizard. And then finally, what are some things that it's good with working? Are you service oriented? Are you practical? When you read the descriptions of these, it's going to tell you exactly what they mean. So pick what works for you and hit continue. So you're just sort of getting through the wizard so you can get to this point. This is what I want you to see. There is a bit of fiction that comes into completing this. So let's go ahead and choose that you're going to be looking, sorry, my throat, looking to go in and apply for a job at a specific place. So let's say that you'll be a waiter or a waitress at a restaurant you normally go to. Perhaps you'll work at Salsaritas, or maybe you'll be a waiter or a waitress at your favorite pizza place. It doesn't matter. But when you click inside each of these areas, it's going to say target job, target company. So I'm going to completely change this up. Maybe I want to be a waitress and then target company. When I click on that, I'm going to put Don Gallo. And then save changes. So as you go through, again, you'll just click on each of these things. If there's a blue area, you fill it in. Click. I have honed my skills in, let's say, time management. Sorry, my keyboard's being crazy. And organization. Obviously, they're going to want to know that. Remember, your target job title for this one was waitress. You guys can pick whatever you want. Target company was Don Gallo, which is a Mexican restaurant, and then save changes. Up here, we have our subject, and it gives you some options for you to choose. So let's click this guy, and then it goes back to that job title, experienced waitress for hire, save changes. And then over here, dear, and let's put John Gallo, manager. You'll do this after your cover letter notes, so it'll make more sense than what you're seeing now. But you'll just simply walk through all the bits of this wizard. When you're done, it's going to ask you to finish the letter by emailing, downloading, and printing. You're not going to choose these options. Let me repeat, you're not going to choose them. That's going to prompt you to pay a fee and like actually log into this account. I just want you to take a screenshot. So when you look over at the module, you're going to see that the assignment is for cover letter screenshot. So you'll do this last. Although you're listening to it with the initial video, you're going to do that last. So when you're finished with this video, you'll actually watch the job notes video and start with that and then move to this cover letter. I was just trying to minimize the content and not have 3 videos. So obviously, if you have a question, let me know. But for the cover letter, take the notes, use the template. It just makes it a lot easier, and then do a screenshot. If you want to make your own cover letter without the template, though, that's fine.